Hey guys, today we're replacing the reservoir on a 328i. This is a 2013 model coupe V6 automatic. This will apply to a lot of years. First thing you do is 10 millimeter, then use a screwdriver or a pick to pull this metal tab up. Don't pull it all the way out, just a little bit until it's around that. Then it comes right off of that lip. And then the same process for this right here. Once you did that, go ahead and take your bolts out. Reservoir would cost you close to 100. Then we got a grommet down here. And don't forget your sensor. Check your new reservoir to see if you need to take it completely out or just disconnect the female end. This is pretty much it for installing your reservoir. Once you put your new one on and you need to fill it back up with fluid, fill it up, take this all the way out and it will let it bleed out until this is almost level, and then the red measuring pole, which is in the middle, needs to be level with the top of the where the cap goes on, and I'll try to show you that in a minute. Here's a new one. Once you got that connected, go ahead and run down. Let's see where that clips in that hole. We're going to go ahead and start our bolts. Not much space down here, so be careful with your hands. You don't want to cut anything.